Okay, so for the general studies quiz for year 1, 200 and 300 level, let me take you guys through. So log into your school portal. Once you are done logging in, allow it to load. Yes. Then go to the button written SGS on the downside of your screen. You see a button written SGS there. Yes, an interface written SGS. Then you click on the interface and allow it to load. So you should actually be doing it in a network free environment so it will work faster. Then click on learning management system. As you can see on the screen, click on the learning management system and also allow it to load. Once it is open, then you scroll down till you see the general studies. Yes, general studies. You now click on it and scroll down, and first of all you have to watch the video. It's a 5 minutes video there. You have to watch the video, get the name of the woman, Philomena Ibokwe. After getting the name of the woman, know the name of our vice chancellor. Yes, the current vice chancellor. Then after getting it, after watching the video, then you click on the down part. You see the director's quiz. You click on that director's quiz. So I've clicked on it, and then you scroll down. After reading this instruction, ensure you have watched the video above before attempting the quiz derived from the video above. Attempt all question. Then you click on start attempt. So you will see the first question. The now learning management system helps you understand our next digital skills. You click on the correct answer. Yes, the quiz is not that hard. It's not hard at all. It's not hard. Once you watch that video, you can attempt the 10 questions. Yes. So this is the second question. You also click on the second question. You'll be doing it consecutively for all the 10 questions. Like after this question now, you scroll down, you click on that you have done this one. It will load and take you to the next question. Yes, you will do it for the 10 question. Then you click next page. You scroll down, you click on next page. So we are in number of question 3. I actually skipped some questions so this video won't be hard. Like the video won't be too much. I want it to be around 6 minutes video. So LMS, that is learning management system. You take the answer. Yes. So that is it. And they give 2 hours. They give 2 hours for each 10 question. So it's a lot of time. They give 2 hours for each question. Then there are 2 quizzes. The one we are doing now is the first quiz. We are doing the first quiz. So after the first quiz now, we'll submit. You can see I'm already done with the first quiz. So I will click on submit all and finish. And once I click on submit all and finish, they'll tell you to confirm it. Once you have confirmed it, your correct answer will come out. So this is the second quiz. This is the second quiz. You also watch the video like we did in the first one. After watching the video, you still go ahead and click on Nnamdi Azikiwe University General Studies 001 Deputy Director's Quiz. Yes, you click on it. That first one was director. This one is deputy director. So you click on the deputy director again. Click on the quiz again. It will now take you to the deputy director's quiz. It's also 10 questions. Okay. So once it has taken you to the place, just the same thing, the same instruction. You read the instruction. It's not that hard. The quiz is not that hard. Once you watch that 5 minutes video, you can answer it. So the same instruction, the same everything. Start attempt. You now attempt it. Like this one, they asked questions about general study examination. What's the maximum time and the least? What's the maximum time for the examination to take place? Which unit should it take place? So that is just it. Then after it, you click on finish attempt. Once you are done like answering each question, just click on finish attempt. finish attempt. Then after you are done, I'm already done, click on submit all. Submit all. Okay, to take me back again. Then yes, I've finished it already. So yes, I finished it. I'm done with it. And so that is all. It's not that hard. Yes, I got 9/10. So thank you for watching.